Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. We're back for another lesson. This is ayah 61 from Surat Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 61. A'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa idh. So we're going back into reading, and again, we're trying to keep it at a slow pace so that you're able to read on your own with more speed. This is beginners. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ. إِذْ, this is a sukoon over the dhal, so it would be وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ قُلْتُمْ وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى يَا مُوسَى. Ya is extended there slightly. Ya Musa, not Musa, but Musa, because this waw extends the meme. وَإِذْ قُلْتُمْ يَا مُوسَى. Lan, noon doesn't have a sukoon. Noon sakina mixes with this noon. Lan nasbira, lan nasbira. لن نصبر على, so نصبر على طعام طعام. This is ayn alif extended. طعام واحد طعام واحد. لن نصبر على طعام واحد. فد. Why don't we read this? This is dropped. Hamzatul Wasl. فد. فدعوا فدعوا لنا فدعوا لنا. And we go down to next word. ربك ربك يخرج لنا يخرج لنا مما تنبت. This noon sakina, meme over it, it's called qalb. It turns this noon into a meme. Again, this is review. So instead of tunbitu, it's تنبت الأرض. Tul, alif lam drops, you come to the hamza here, so تنبت الأرض مما تنبت الأرض من بقلها. Mim, there's the noon sakina. The meme is there because of the ba. So it becomes what? Min baqaliha. Min baqaliha. Wa. This is qaf, kasra, waqif. Waqitha. Waqitha. This is a tha with a shadda. Waqithaiha. Waqithaiha. Wa. فومها Wow, there's sukoon, extends the fa there with the dhamma, so وفومها وعدسها let's move that up slightly. وبصلها بصلها. قال أتستبدلون الذي, you go from the noon into this, so الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير. This Jim indicates a permissible place to take a breath and stop if you need to. Huwa khair. Now if you're going to start here, you could have connected from here, but this is a kasra and this is somewhat of Arabic, and one of the mushafs it will put it. If you don't know it, this takes a little bit of Arabic knowledge to know how to read this. So it could be ahbitu, ihbitu, or uhbitu, and it's ihbitu. Okay, so some mushafs will show you. Otherwise, if you don't know, you would have to connect from here into there and then go here, khayrun, and then you would drop this. You would also read this with a sukun, khayruhbitu. If you're going to stop, ihbitu misran, ihbitu misran, فإن لكم ما, these two memes join, فإن لكم ما سألتم سألتم وضربت عليهم, and then down here, so that joins, عليهم الذلة عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من, this in mixes with mim, becomes mim, بغضب, so bim, okay, joining, بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله, not الله, بآيات الله, kasra before the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You read the name of Allah Most High as tillahi, with what is called a small mouth or raqiq, so you would read it light. بآيات الله. If that was a fatha there, you would have read it ayatullahi or tallahi, but if it's a kasra, you read it as بآياتillahi ويقتلون النبيين ويقتلون, this noon you go from here onto there, يقتلون النبيين نبيين. This is just an extension of this. So نبيين بغير الحق ذلك بما عصوا كانوا يعتدون. So that took a little bit of time to read that full ayah. Inshallah, we will have shorter lessons to keep you posted and to continue. Inshallah, we'll see you for the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.